Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix your device's missing important security and quality fixes error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Comes up a troubleshoot setting, click on open it. Select other troubleshooters. Select the Windows Update Troubleshoot to run. After getting done, just close off here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to open this folder and you just need to double click on the reset wueng.cmd. You just need to double click on it and you just need to press any key to continue. Press any key. And after getting done, just close stuff here. Now you need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services you just need to search for Windows Update service. Just double click on it. Startup type, set this to automatic and select apply, and now select the stop option and select the start option. And now you just need to select OK to save changes and close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After getting all these commands done, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.